Hey there, welcome to the world of AllRide's contact management system. So, let's start with adding a new contact. Picture this. You're faced with a form split into two key sections. First up is the profile information. Here's where you collect all the essential details about your contact. Their name, email, phone numbers, address, you name it. It's like building a profile piece by piece, making sure everything's in place. Then, we move on to the License and Activation tab. Here, you delve into the nitty-gritty of your contact's driving license and account activation status. It's like peeking into their legal side, ensuring everything's up to date and verified. Now, let's talk about viewing contacts. Step into the Contacts tab, and voila! You're greeted with a comprehensive list of customers. Each entry gives you a quick glimpse into their world, their name, where they're from, how they rate your services, and how often they book rides. But wait, there's more. Click on a customer's record, and you unlock a treasure trove of information. First off, you've got the contact profile. It's like having their contact details laid out neatly in front of you: emails, phone numbers, their operator association, you name it. It's all there, ready for you to explore. Then, there's the passenger identification and license section. Here, you get to see their account status, license details, and even a snapshot of their driving license. It's like having their legal documentation at your fingertips. And let's not forget about the reservation history. It's like taking a trip down memory lane, exploring all the rides they've booked with you. It's a goldmine of insights into their past interactions with your services.